Now 13C more than likely will take 2 lessons to show you everything, but we're going to go ahead and start. Now what we're going to do is we're going to place an images, multiple, inside of a text. So let's go to the website and get the information that we need. Okay, come on, cooperate. Thank you. Alright, step 1, we're going to create this. You need to get this swirly background pulled over. We're going to go text, most original. We're going to change the color to red. Tell it OK, and we're going to type in the letter S and check so that we have this on it. Alright. There it is. Photoshop. Drag and drop. There it is. Text, Mathemos, whatever. However you want to pronounce it. Actually, you could use whatever you wanted to. It's just, let's go pick M-A-T and see if we even have it. There's no telling. Okay, fine. Well, let's just use marker felt. Color red. S. Obviously needs to be bigger. Let's see. 14. There's no way 14 is going to work. It's going to have to be a lot bigger than that. So that'll work for me. I'm happy with that S. Next. Resize and reposition as you need to with the free transform, the Control-Shift to keep it nice and big. So, okay, edit, retransform, Shift key, get it to be really big. Okay, that works. Apply. There's my big S. Next. Okay, we have a big S. Now, what do we want to do? Enter, free transform. We want to add a stroke around the letter, optional. How do you add a stroke? Does anybody remember? You add a stroke, FX, stroke. Make sure it's to the outside. And what color does it say? Stroke. Outside color should be white. Should look like that. Okay. Okay. Next. Now we're going to copy the S. So before I paste and search my letter, I want to finish the S from my letter. So we're going to finish doing space. So we're going to copy them. So Control J or right click copy. So P, cancel. I hit Control P instead of Control J. So P, A, C, E. Go to copy to. Text. Move it over. P. Move it over. Repeat. And if you've noticed, when it's over here where it says S copy for yada yada yada, it's changing. And it looks like I'm going to run out of information for him, but that's okay. This is P-A-C. And then we could do E. Obviously my letter's a little too big, so oops, but that's alright. We want to understand that we know the principle. What do we do next? Go to 3. Now, second letter into position, I moved it over. I changed the letter to S-P-A-C-E. Got that, got that, got that, got that. Put the remaining letters in. We were announced. This is S-P-A-C-E for... Now, open the image you want to place inside the letters. Drag it and put it in there, and we're going to stick it behind it. What I'm going to actually do is I'm going to save this right now. Alright, we're going to go ahead and finish it. We're going to by applying it. So we have S-P-A-C... Well, we have space, not space. We could go back and change it, but I don't have the time. We want to get this moon exploding, sun explosion, sorry, and we want to drag it and drop it inside the document right above S. So I drag the image over. I don't want it here. I want it right above S because I'm going by the instructions here. So I dragged it over, placed it right before S, and we should see the P-A-C but not the S. Create a clipping mask, and here we go. So we don't see the S right. We see the PAC. Move it around. Get it there. How do you create a clipping mask? Go to what? Layer. Create clipping mask. Alt-Control-G. Create your clipping mask. What do you do? Let's see. What do we do? Alt-Control-G or what? There it is. It got rid of everything else and it applied it inside of that area, the text. Okay, now what do we do? We could resize it and move it around, make it a different size, etc. And we find other crazy space images to apply in the back of it. Go to Google and find something crazy like, I don't know, the moon, asteroid, well, it looks like an astronaut. So I go to Google. La 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 la, images, astronaut, one that looks kind of cool. Let's go. There we go, kind of like that one. Drag it and drop it here. Put it above P. See, now it's right above P. Move it to where I want it, but notice I can't see P. Layer. Create a clipping mask. There it is. And you repeat the process. You go find the different images that you want and apply it till you finish it out. And the images go behind. So you have each different images. So you have the background image. Let's go ahead and minimize this. You have your background image, plus you have image for each one of the different letters you have on here. That's it. Congratulations. You did